This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Okay, so to answer this question, let's go to this main page. As I understand, you want this to be replaced with some of your Instagram pictures, right? There is no way to do this stuff dynamically, right? But there is a way to do this manually, and you're able to connect your real Instagram account and make it dynamic on the random page, right? So I want to add a new page, it'll be blank for now. I want to go there, new page. We don't care about the name. I hit edit, and then I want social blog Instagram, yeah? So this way I will show you my own Instagram connected account. It's me, hello everybody. And you can see something like this, right? Great. I hit apply, and that's it. Every time I upload a new photo to Instagram, it will be displayed right here. Cool. But still, it won't appear right there, right? So what do we want? We want to save this page. Go to settings. We go to media, and we upload again my photo. Yeah, I'm sorry for this, but whatever, you know. I just hit save, and now we have a page with some dynamic content, right? We can fetch all the data from our Instagram account, and we have added some stable stuff. You see, so there is a way. Hopefully it will help you.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.